Want to use Amex membership rewards for flights? Here's a fast step-by-step guide. Before we start, have your Amex app, airline frequent flyer numbers, and ID ready. Check transfer partners and ratios. Many are 1-to-1, some vary like 1 to 0.8. Step 1. Link your airline account inside the Amex app under Transfer Points. Step 2. Select the airline partner and enter your exact name and frequent flyer number. Note transfer ratios, any fees, and estimated times. Instant to up to 72 hours for some partners. Step 3. Choose how many points to transfer. Transfers are final, so transfer what's needed for the award. Confirm the summary screen, ratio, estimated arrival, minimums, and any rounding rules. Submit the transfer and monitor your airline account. Some transfers post instantly, others take time. If points don't appear, wait 72 hours, then contact Amex and the airline with screenshots. Pro tip: transfer during bonus promotions or transfer just enough for the award to maximize value. Subscribe for more travel tips and deep dive guides on maximizing points and miles.